Hi guys, we'll have a deep learning and deep learning projects. So this video going to explain about deep learning projects. So we'll see more deep learning projects. The first thing before going to see the output of the deep learning projects, let we have the idea to learn about the deep learning projects. So I planned off 50 plus projects in deep learning using Python or using MATLAB or using the algorithms based on machine learning and deep learning. So we'll enter into the concept. Ideas to learn the DL projects, deep learning projects. Topic, deep learning. So basically you should know about what is meant by deep learning. So deep learning, when the word deep learning came the picture, you have to remember machine learning and artificial intelligence. So both are the subsets, AI, ML as well as the deep learning. Okay, directly we'll move to the project. So no need of any introduction about deep learning. What is deep learning? What are the advantages, disadvantages? What are the basic algorithms? Right now, directly go to the project. Project number 1, we are going to discuss about the very familiar problem facing in society. The 2 will be solved using the Python, especially in Python program. A number of projects and programs and solutions came for this project, and even though this problem has been identified throughout the society every day. Fake news detection. You might see the social media like Instagram or Facebook or Twitter or any other thing. You will be getting the fake news. How I'm going to detect my fake news? Objective of this one. In this project, we have used various natural language processing tasks, that is called as NLP techniques and machine learning algorithms to classify the fake news informations or articles using the Scikit libraries from the Python. So I said especially we'll focusing on the Python. Okay, before going to the objective, my objectives two things. One is called natural language processing, other one is machine learning algorithms. Okay, now let's move to the prerequisites of this one. So well known, I already said prerequisite is nothing but Python. Okay, my software tool is Python 3.6. I have given this link here. If anyone want to download and you have to proceed with this source code, you can go with this Python or Anaconda. My data set, very familiar data set for especially for fake news detection layer data set. There are 13 column subsets are there with the source code. We have to save that layer file in the Python software. .tsv format is a default one. It consists of 3 files in .tsv format. One is called test, train and validation. For whatever information to be tested, they need to be trained and to be validated. Layers are even the benchmark data set for the fake news detection. It's very important, the benchmark one for fake news detection. Okay, let me have the descriptions in the deep learning project of the fake news detection. Okay, what are the basic descriptions of this project is .py. So .py you need to see about the data preparation, future selection, classifier, prediction. So all should be entered into the .py file. Next we'll move to the process project flow. Okay, you know the processing of this fake news detector. Okay, what is the flow? For all the projects, for all the problems, you need to find out the process, that is flow. Very important, the flow. Once you are clear with the flow, you can go with the problem solution, articles, paper writing, anything. This is very important one. Okay, first thing, text data, training and test. So first you start with the text data. I am talking about the text data in terms of the training, in terms of the test. Okay, one process will be tested directly here. Other process will be training here. I taken the text data through the training sample by pre-processing. Very important. Any concept you are entering, first you have to do with the pre-processing. For example, you are going for the semester exam. We have model exam. Model exam is the concept of the semester exam writing for the 100 marks. The same concept Pre-processing, going for the processing, what is going to happen? Validation of pre-processing the samples. Once pre-processing over, the first step will be over. There, it will be split into two futures. One is called as a count future, other one is a TF futures. Text future. So count future, text future, through the training of the sample in pre-processing method, I'm going to count here. I'm going to identify the text futures here. It will be this will be a separate process. Test will be the separate process. All together, this count, this TF, this test, all combined together, I'm going to see the various classifications model. The list of the classification models are Naive Bayes classifier, logistic regression classifier, support vector machine classifier, stochastic gradient descent classifier, random forest classifier. We have the 5 types of classifiers, are also called as algorithms, are also called as flow variables for the project flow of this deep learning machines algorithms. Among these 5 classifiers, any one classified to be obtained and to be classified for our fake news detection project and to be finalized as a final classification model. Once it was finalized, we have to give the input side user as an input here. Then you need to check whether my information is false, whether information is true. If the information is true, the project has been clearly identified. If information is false, the project has been identified as the false information has been detected. True information has been detected. This is the project flow of the deep learning using fake news detection. The same concept, we have the number of projects. We have chatbot, images, posting in the social media. Okay, these are the some applications. Thank you guys. We'll see another project in the next video, deep learning. Thank you. Bye bye.